Here we're going to look at when we have an exponent to an exponent, but it involves negative exponents. So first thing, whenever I see negative exponents, I know they mean the reciprocal, so I need to flip things. I like to take care of those whenever possible first, so I don't have to deal with so many negatives. And so first thing I would do is say all three of these things in the parentheses are multiplied together. And notice just the y to the -6 is the only thing with a negative exponent. So I'm going to write down the two parts that don't have a negative exponent, because they're going to stay put. And if I take the reciprocal of y to the 6 and it's on the top currently, it's going to end up on the bottom in the denominator. So now at least I've done everything I can do inside the parentheses. And now if I look outside, I see, well, I have a negative exponent here too. Now notice this negative exponent is on this whole thing. So when I take the reciprocal, this means the reciprocal of the whole thing. So how do I take the reciprocal of a fraction? I flip the whole thing. So y to the 6 is the new top, and 2x to the 4th is the new bottom or denominator. And notice that doesn't get rid of my exponent, it just makes it not negative anymore. And so now I can try to square everything inside the parentheses and see I don't have to worry about the negative anymore. So if I square everything in here, y to the 6th squared is y to the 12th, and then 2 squared is 4, and x to the 4th squared is x to the 8th. So it's usually the easiest to get rid of all the negative exponents first, do the reciprocal, and then distribute in this squared on the outside ends up being positive.